everyone, this is Unpopcast, where we research pop so you don't have to. Hi, I'm Ami.
And I am Manya. And on today's episode, we are going to be talking about Katy Perry and Justin Trudeau, the Summer I Turned Pretty's final season, and Avika Gaur's getting married, and skinny jeans are back. So let's start with it. So recently, Justin Trudeau and Katy Perry were spotted together in Montreal, where he attended her concert, and they were even spotted at a restaurant together. This is like a big news after a recent separation from Orlando Bloom. What are your thoughts
First of
about
all,
it?
let's just let that fact sink in that Justin Trudeau was a Canadian Prime Minister, I guess. Let that fact sink in. This is like, this is a match that's kind of weird or,
Yeah.
not very likely, but the romance rumors are up. So, what do you think, Manya?
Pretty excited for it. I mean, look at them. They're both really good looking people. And I guess if they make a good match, they make a good match. And they look good together. This is like that. I guess this can be something straight out of a rom-com. Like a pop star and a government politician getting together. It's very cute. I think I really like it. I am totally in support of this.
I feel that they went on a dinner, then he attended the concert. The romance rumors are totally going on. Moving on to the next topic. The summer I turned pretty, or
Let's
rather
move
just
on.
say the summer Jeremiah
Yeah.
turned evil. Eh, In this episode, we are going to have spoilers or disclaimer.
Yeah. So disclaimer. Yeah.
Mani, what are your thoughts about it? You were Team Jeremiah.
Um, my thoughts were very much different from then they were like 5 days ago. 5 days ago when we talked about it, I talked about this. I was totally Team Jeremiah because I was like I could never hate him, but they did make me hate him. They made me hate him pretty badly. Uh, I just don't like him this season now because what he has done, what he did to Belly is just unforgivable, and Belly is being so stupid about it. It's just making me angry.
Even we are getting Conrad's
What
point
are
of
your
view
thoughts?
next week. So what do you think about that? We are actually getting Conrad's point of view. I feel that this is where the show is going to take a plot twist. What do you think?
Definitely. I think the show will definitely get better too, like at this point. Maybe because finally Belly would see what Jeremiah did wrong, I guess, like in the future episodes, and Conrad finally, like, we get to see how much he suffered and what was his reasoning for the bad breakup they had and everything. And I guess I would love to see Conrad win Belly back and everything, but I just really hope कि Belly की आंखें खुल जाएं इन सब के अंदर, because the way she has been acting is pretty stupid. I think let's talk about Belly, the way Belly has been acting. What are your thoughts about her saying yes to the proposal barely 2 seconds after learning that Jeremiah had cheated on
I
her?
feel that maybe it's because her brother was in the accident because she was like now everything. I think Laurel was right when she said that your brother was almost dead and you were like you wanted to make harsh decision, impulsive decisions and you made this one. I totally support her right now. But Belly, I feel that maybe you should open your eyes and see this guy. This is not once, this is twice, man. Twice.
Exactly. Like when Belly asked her, like she wants to know what they did, and he told her, I was like, I was flipping him off to from the screen. I was like, please go away, get Belly away. And when she like, I really like the scene though where she vomited when she heard about them. I really like that scene, and I was hoping like they will stay apart from there, but they didn't, and that was a plot twist, I can say. Like I was expecting like Belly would be like going full breakup mode. She won't talk to him and everything, but she like did a 180 and got back with him. I do not like that aspect,
Belly
but
girl,
let's
open
hope
your
let's
eyes.
hope that the coming season, coming episodes give us more. Yeah, they give us more better and I guess more better content, and they also give what the viewers are wanting. I guess like I mean, have you seen like have you heard what happens in the book? Because I have heard pretty much what happens at the end from book Twitter.
Yes, I know what happens in the end. I'm not going to give that torture to our
Have you heard what?
listeners on the first episode of a podcast. So let's just move on.
Yeah, let's move on. Okay, so Avika Gaul's getting married, and these photos are really cute. Most of you might know, I think most of you will know Avika Gaul from Balika Vadhu. Uh, so I was very young when Balika Vadhu came out, and I was really scared of the show. It was scary, but she's getting married to Milind Chandwani, and I mean, let's talk
Milind
about him.
Chandwani is an IMA alum. IMA is like the dream. I am the bath. And he is also a social activist. So that's a very rare combination. Avika Gaur must have taken out the best out of the best. What do you think, Banya?
That is so interesting, like especially like being a BBA student and all, IIMA is such a big deal. And him being an activist is a bigger deal. Where do you find such good men these days? So that is amazing. Also, like they look so good. They're both so good looking and they look so cute together. The images are so cute. Love them. What are your thoughts?
I feel they look cute together. And let's see how this goes for a social activist and an actor. Moving on,
Yeah, definitely.
is skinny jeans really back in fashion? People are wearing skinny jeans all over the internet and they're back. The whole skinny trend is back, Manya, maybe. Being skinny is ultra skinny is back in fashion, and the jeans are back in fashion. What do you think?
Let's talk about being skinny first. So I don't think being skinny was ever out of fashion in India, especially. Like skinny is here is considered everything. In India, तो आपको skinny होना चाहिए. एक ना एक आंटी आपको एक दिन टोकी देंगी वरना. But let's talk about skinny jeans. So I don't not like that at all. I do not like it coming back. Like अभी तो comfortable jeans मिली थी. बस कि like you can wear loose jeans and stuff. And now skinny jeans are coming back. Do not like that idea at all.
People are styling skinny jeans with coats, overcoats, and big to give them a modern touch with crop tops even. What do you think about that?
I think 2014 and 15 is coming back. People will start making puffs very soon. Like, लड़कियां बनाती थी ना puffs पहले.
Oh my god, that
That will be
that
back.
era was something else. I cringe at the photos of that era. I don't want the puff
Same.
again.
I think with skinny jeans, low waist is also back. Low waist jeans is also back then.
Being skinny is back, so I think I read somewhere that skinny is back because most of the influencers that were promoting body positivity are dead.
That is definitely true. I guess you do not see many body positivity influencers recently, anyways. You see the fitness influencers getting all that, and I appreciate them because they are not promoting anything unhealthy. But you also see like so many of the influencers that were saying like I was happy with my body, I like the way I look, and they have lost so much weight, and now they are posting entirely different content. So that also makes us feel little weird. So I guess that is true. Uh, I do believe that uh, if Gen Z people like come together and like definitely understand that body positivity is everything, we will find new influencers very soon that would be promoting body positivity. What are your thoughts about that?
I think body positivity is good to an extent where you are promoting medium-sized bodies but not fat. That's just like you are promoting obesity. So influencers have to keep that in mind. It's something like professors would teach in ethics now in marketing.
True, that is true. I guess the promotion of obesity shouldn't be considered. Yes, if you cannot lose weight at anything like people with certain medical conditions, they cannot like work on themselves. I get it. They should feel positive and they should feel happy in their bodies. But like promoting, no, just eat whatever you want and do whatever you want, live an unhealthy lifestyle. That's not the way to go about it. So I agree with you. There should be a certain extent to the positivity.
Yeah, true. So this is the end of our episode. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And do tell us in the comments that if you want an episode on Wednesday with the upcoming Summer I Turned Pretty episode, we will do a reaction of it. If you want that, do comment that.
Yeah, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel because we need you. We need our audience there. So,
Yes, we
thank
need our audience to have the same level of unpopcasters that like us.
yeah. We need you. We need you to give us ideas and give us inspiration and the motivation to make more episodes. We'll be doing more of these, more episodes coming soon. Till then, bye bye.